Today we'll be making this hair mask that helps fight inflammation on the scalp and reduces dandruff, as well as strengthen hair follicles to help prevent hair loss. So let's get into it. Hello my happy nappy crew, it's NowIamNappy, and this week begins week 6 of our Prevent Hair Loss Challenge, and we'll be using my Hibiscus Moringa and Amla Gloss Bar. And if you guys don't have this gloss bar, I will put an alternative up here. Well, let's go ahead and get into mixing it and applying it to our hair, and I'll tell you about all the benefits. Alright, so start with a double boiler on the stove. I'll be using my Hibiscus Moringa Amla Gloss Bar. Put that down and then add in about 4 to 5 ounces of water. You know, the bar starts to dissolve almost immediately. Just go ahead and give it a stir to aid in the dissolving process. Within about 5 to 10 minutes, the bar should really start to break down. Continue to stir, and yes y'all, the bowl is very hot, so just continue to stir carefully and let the bar completely melt. If you need to add in a little bit more liquids, you can do so. I'm going to stir until the mixture is nice and chunky like cake batter, so it doesn't drip too much. Now y'all, I didn't show you guys, but I did shampoo my hair. Y'all know last week I did skip shampooing because I was sick. But y'all, before I apply this mask, I'm going to be doing this as a post-shampoo treatment. Now I'm going to focus this directly on my scalp, really aiming to get those benefits and nutrients on the scalp first, and then run it down the length of my hair, y'all. But right now I am really going to target my scalp, and let's talk about some of the benefits in this bar. We're first going to begin with hibiscus. So hibiscus is actually a rich source of vitamin C, which is a powerful antioxidant that helps to fight free radical damage on the hair and scalp. It also contains vitamin A in the form of beta carotene, which is really important for maintaining a healthy scalp and promoting cell growth. There's also your B vitamins, which we know are essential to having healthy hair, skin, and nails. You have your vitamin B1, vitamin B2, and vitamin B3, which help to support that healthy skin and hair. Now in terms of hair loss, hibiscus can help strengthen the hair follicle. It contains rich amino acids that help prevent hair breakage and reduce damage from environmental factors such as the sun's UV rays. It also contains antimicrobial properties that help reduce scalp infections and dandruff and soothe that inflammation and itchiness that's on the scalp that can irritate and eventually cause hair loss. It also helps to promote hair growth by strengthening the hair follicles and preventing and reducing hair fall and promoting thicker hair growth. Now y'all, I'm briefly going to talk about moringa and amla because I have 2 other videos where I go into further detail about moringa, but moringa contains 92 nutrients, and that includes your vitamins, minerals, amino acids, fats, and 46 antioxidants and 36 anti-inflammatory agents. So it is a very powerful herb that is said to help block DHT and stimulate that hair growth, reduce inflammation on the scalp, especially if you're having any type of eczema or dermatitis type issues, really strengthens the follicles and encourages blood circulation to those follicles to help regrow hair. And now amla, you guys, is a rich source of vitamin C, which encourages that cell turnover and really helps to stimulate hair growth. It helps to extend the growing phase in the hair growth cycle and is a natural DHT blocker, which means it helps to fight that male and female pattern baldness. Now y'all, one thing about all 3 of these herbs as well is that they can be consumed in your diet. You can brew them as a tea. You can add 1 to 2 tablespoons of moringa, amla, or hibiscus powder into your smoothie to also get these wonderful internal benefits. If you haven't checked out my hair loss story that I shared with you guys last week, I really want to impress on you to check out that video because it really stresses the importance of making sure you get enough of these vitamins and nutrients in your diet as well, along with these topical treatments. Now y'all, I'm also going to be adding my strengthening hair mask to my ends of my hair today. It is time for me to do a protein treatment, and I'm going to combine this together in one, get the benefits of the hair mask to prevent hair loss and the strengthening properties found in this strengthening hair mask. So I went on live, you guys, so I actually left this hair mask on for about an hour and a half before rinsing. I did use a little bit of heat towards this to really activate those proteins to bind to my hair shaft. And y'all, look at my final results. My curls are so hydrated. My hair feels incredibly moisturized. but also my hair feels stronger at the root or the follicle. And y'all, I'm loving my results. So you guys, I will also be using my hibiscus and shea bay leave-in conditioner and moisturizing styler to style my hair for today. Now I'm going to go in section by section, but I'm going to keep the style very simple and actually just end up putting it into a top knot bun. So make sure that you guys find a style this week that again leaves little or minimal tension or stress on the hair follicles while we strengthen them and prevent hair loss in this challenge. Alright you guys, so I know on my live I said I was going to insert some clips of my outfit from yesterday. I actually just put on my 3/4 wig because my hair was not dry because I was talking to y'all forever on the live, but I ended up creating this style actually this morning. This is just a top knot bun with some gold bangles and some side twists to it. Something really simple and creative. Stay tuned for next week as we begin week 7 of our Prevent Hair Loss Challenge. And I'll be going live on Sunday at 1:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to answer your questions. If you guys want to learn more about some DHT blockers or other herbs that prevent hair loss, check out the videos on the screen. But that's it for this week. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.